Hey J-Rod, how much protein should I eat?
Slow down, grasshopper. Coming soon. But while you're here, I will give you a tip how to make your meat better. The magic sauce is grass-fed butter and kosher pink salt. Lather that steak up. It makes it taste so much better. And if you're lean, every fourth day, you can add a little thin-skinned fruit to your salad in the morning. Tip number 3, you can lower the glycemic index of your food by putting a splash of vinegar on there. There's a caveat with vinegar, you can have no fungal infections. All right, so if you got a healthy gut, the vinegar will help. If you don't have a healthy gut, it's just gonna give you a big butt. Jimmy check.